How to delete Google Pay transaction history in app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn whether it is possible for us to delete our Google Pay or our GPay transaction history on app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, just go ahead and then make sure to launch a Google Pay application and just make sure that you are also signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you look right over here, you should be able to find this option called recent transactions. And if you go to the view all option over here, you'll be able to see all of the transactions that you've made. And basically, if you would like to go ahead and then delete your transactions, you tap the three dot option, but then you notice that we do not have that option. One thing you have to understand is that we will not be able to delete our transaction history for our Google Pay. No matter even if it is a Google Pay or any other payment applications, they will not let you delete your transaction history. Since this is a payment app, the history must always remain there for security and privacy reasons as well. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.